Hello, and thank you for registering to take your certification exam with the American Society of EKG Technicians. We know that this is an important step for you, and we want to make sure you have the best possible experience. In this video, we're going to cover how the learning management system works and how to use your ASET account for the best results. We'll go over accessing your study materials, taking exams, reviewing exam results, and finally, how to find and verify your credentials. That's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Alright, welcome to your new account. Here you can get to your certification materials, your exam results, the digital copy of your certification, and your expiration date. To get to your study and testing materials, you'll click the name of the program. The study guide is broken down into modules, so it's easier to refer you back to the areas you need to focus on based on your exam results. Down below the glossary of all keywords, you have unlimited practice exams and 3 final exam attempts. When you're taking the exam, questions that have been answered will turn green in the grid. You can mark questions for review and skip them. These will appear red in the grid so that you can easily come back and answer the question later. Once you've taken an exam, you can view its in-depth statistics immediately. When you've passed your final certification exam, your digital copy and expiration date are instantly available, and your credentials are immediately inputted into the National Registry so they can be verified. All that's needed is the certification number to verify your new credentials. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have questions about your account or the certification process, don't hesitate to contact your assigned ASET advisor. Congratulations on taking the next step in your EKG career, and good luck on your exam.